How to fix Snapchat effects easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it, and then click here on this storage option and wait after it finish the computing. Now let's wait a few seconds, and after it finish, all what you have to do is just very simple. Click on clear data right here and then click on delete like this. As you can see, I cleared all the data. Now go back and click on the permissions, disable all the permissions and enable them back again. And then click on force stop here, and that's it. Now you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.